Thank you for choosing Ally Tools and Parts for all your welding needs. In this video, we will demonstrate our flat soapstone holder with our 7-piece flat soapstone pens. Our flat soapstone holder features a stainless steel trigger that easily moves soapstone in and out of the holder. The back pocket clip is handy in allowing you to clip the holder anywhere. Each soapstone holder has one pre-installed flat soapstone for immediate use and 6 extras for future use. If there is too much play between the soapstone and the holder, please follow these steps. Remove the soapstone pen from the stainless steel trigger. Now use your MIG pliers to tighten the metal sides. Once you reach your desired tension, reinsert the soapstone into the stainless steel trigger. Make sure to test the soapstone holder to see if the play is gone. Redo these steps when necessary. Each of our soapstone pens are made out of premium white soapstone. Their quality is perfect for creating markings and are easily visible. Soapstone markings are easy to rub off and will not make permanent marks or damage your material. Thanks again for choosing Ally Tools and Parts for all your welding needs.